How the gap between the pipe and flange gets sealed is a matter of proper gasket selection, fit, and fastener technique to prevent leaks and odors. Start by choosing the correct gasket material for the application and pipe diameter. Typically a compressible rubber or foam gasket for sanitary flanges and a neoprene or EPDM ring for wastewater lines. Before assembly, clean both flange and pipe surfaces of debris, old sealant, and corrosion using a cloth and a non-abrasive cleaner so the gasket seats evenly. Slide the gasket or rubber ring over the pipe and orient any taper or lip so it compresses toward the flange face when tightened. Push the pipe fully into the flange until you feel a firm stop, and then rotate the ring slightly while holding the pipe to help the material conform and find a snug position. Tighten the flange screws in a crisscross pattern and torque them evenly to the manufacturer recommended clutch or a hand snug plus a quarter turn if no torque is given so compression is uniform around the circumference. If a persistent gap remains, use a flange sized for the pipe or add a slightly thicker compliant gasket rather than over-tightening, which can distort the flange or damage the pipe. Common mistakes are using an incorrectly sized gasket, which lets fluid pass at low points, relying only on sealant paste, which can crack or wash out, and uneven screw torque that leaves gaps opposite tight corners. If the gasket is wrong, swap to the flange specific to the pipe size and a compliant material to fill irregularities. Avoid relying solely on sealant paste by combining a properly sized gasket with a compatible sealant sparingly along the periphery when recommended. For torque issues, follow the crisscross tightening pattern and use consistent hand or calibrated torque values so the ring compresses evenly. Our site bighomeprojects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who list work and services related to flange and pipe sealing, so we help people find professionals and project guidance. We also host a discussion community where we and others share tips, ask questions, and compare approaches so homeowners and contractors can learn from real experiences.